going hunting.
Hi there everybody, Jamie Edwards here, hunting with Dad. This is going to be take 2. I realized that my last set of videos for programming the Dogtra Bird Launcher were out of the frame of the camera. I was wearing my camera on my head here, and I guess it wasn't in the right spot. So we're going to try to do this one-handed, and we're going to go through it once more. So here we go. So here's the Dogtra one. I've got a little tripod here I'm going to set it up on so that we're at this level. Then I can watch what I'm doing here. I'm going to turn this off first. Okay, so on the Dogtra one, pretty simple. Make sure everything is charged, of course. Put it on the number that you want it to be. So I am on number 1 here. This is the power button, and there's an LED indicator here. So you're going to press and hold the power button until that starts flashing real fast. Okay, and then you're going to press both the left and right buttons at the same time. Okay, so I'm going to hold it in one hand. I'm going to hold it so that there's power on. Now it's in pairing mode. You can see it flashing. Both buttons at the same time. Going back to a single flash. Now we can make sure by running the beeper or the duck call. So I'll run the duck call, make sure it's paired. There you go. That's all there is to it. So now, as long as we're here, I'm going to pull the pin out and show you how everything works. So plugged into the left port, so we'll use the left button. I'm going to trigger it. There it is. So now when you load it, press down here, bring your lever up and over. Okay, I'm going to hold this and try to do one-handed here. Okay, and you bring this down, and then lock this in. There we go. That's all there is to it. So that is the Dogtra. This one happens to be the PL version, which is the large one. So pretty simple. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Please hit like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Have a good day.
Going hunting.